Living near a volcano is like living with an ever-present force of nature, quietly simmering beneath the surface. For some, it's just a part of life after all. More than 800 million people live within 100 kilometers of an active volcano. But here's the truth. While most people imagine the biggest threat from a volcano is molten lava pouring down the mountainside, that's only one piece of the puzzle. The real dangers are often hidden, lurking just beneath the surface. Volcanic eruptions can be catastrophic, but smaller eruptions, ash clouds, pyroclastic flows, and invisible gases are the silent killers. These hazards can strike at any time, leaving people and communities vulnerable. Today, we're diving into the hidden dangers of living near volcanoes, risks that many people don't even know exist. Imagine waking up to ashfall coating your home, crops, and water supply, rendering everything toxic and uninhabitable. The ash that rains down after an eruption can blanket entire regions, suffocating plant life, poisoning water sources, and causing serious health issues for those breathing it in. And this isn't a short-term problem. Fine volcanic ash can linger in the atmosphere for months, disrupting travel and causing respiratory issues for years after an eruption. But the threat doesn't stop there. Pyroclastic flows, deadly clouds of hot gas and volcanic matter, can travel at speeds of up to 700 kilometers per hour, incinerating everything in their path. These fast-moving clouds can obliterate entire communities in minutes, leaving no time for escape. Even if you live outside the immediate danger zone, you're not entirely safe. Some eruptions release toxic gases like sulfur dioxide and carbon dioxide, which can be carried by the wind far beyond the volcano itself. These gases can cause acid rain, damage ecosystems, and lead to long-term health issues for nearby populations. One of the most chilling examples of this occurred in 1986, when a volcano in Cameroon released a massive cloud of carbon dioxide, suffocating over 1,700 people in their sleep. It was an invisible disaster that struck without warning. While technology has come a long way in helping us monitor volcanic activity, the truth is that eruptions are still incredibly difficult to predict with complete accuracy. Volcanic activity can be triggered by a range of factors, from tectonic plate movements to gas buildup beneath the Earth's surface. Scientists have developed early warning systems, but these systems aren't foolproof. The unpredictability of volcanoes means that people living near them must always be prepared for the possibility of disaster. In some cases, residents don't have enough time to evacuate. When an eruption occurs, evacuation routes can become clogged, communication systems can fail, and panic spreads quickly. It's a race against time, and sadly, not everyone wins that race. But even after the initial eruption, the dangers continue. Ash clouds can disrupt air travel for weeks, causing economic losses that ripple across industries. Agricultural fields can be ruined, water sources contaminated, and the air itself becomes hazardous to breathe. Entire communities can be displaced, left to rebuild their lives from scratch. The devastation doesn't always make the headlines, but the impact is long-lasting. Despite these risks, many people continue to live near volcanoes. The soil around them is incredibly fertile, making it ideal for farming. The landscapes are breathtaking, drawing in tourists and adventurers alike. But the beauty of living near a volcano comes with a high cost. Is it worth the risk? That's the question that many people must grapple with. While living near a volcano offers stunning views and rich agricultural land, the potential for disaster is ever present. With proper monitoring and preparation, some of these risks can be mitigated, but they can never be fully eliminated. So what do you think? Would you live near a volcano, knowing the dangers that lie beneath the surface? Let us know in the comments below. And if this video made you think twice about the hidden risks of volcanoes, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more deep dives into the wonders and dangers of our world. Join us next time on The Undiscovered Wonder, as we explore more incredible stories from the hidden corners of the Earth.